Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Outlook so you can streamline your email communication and sync activity directly with your CRM. To get started, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside, go to the Marketplace by clicking on the Marketplace icon and then selecting HubSpot Marketplace. In the App Marketplace, use the search bar to look for Microsoft Outlook. You may also see it listed among other available apps. Click on Outlook, then select Install. Keep in mind that this integration requires an active Outlook subscription. After clicking Install, you'll be redirected to a new tab which will take you to the Microsoft Marketplace. From there, click Get It Now. If you're not already signed in, enter your Microsoft account credentials. Once signed in, continue by providing the required details such as your country, and then click Get It Now again. You'll then be redirected to HubSpot Sales to complete the integration process. Wait for the setup to finish. Next, you'll be prompted to create or connect an Outlook email account. Enter the Outlook email address you want to use with HubSpot and click Next. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once everything is finalized, the Outlook integration will be connected to your HubSpot account. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you out. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, be sure to use the affiliate links provided in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.